Issued at 12:03 p.m. Central Standard Time. High wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with an occasional gust approaching 60 miles per hour. The areas affected include a portion of north-central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and damage property. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.